Give me a little bit of insight right now as to where we are at a point in time with video in Europe. I would love a snapshot of the marketplace and where you see it heading in the next 12 months.
I think it's very similar to the trend in the US. Right now, video is about everywhere, and it's just growing and growing. We're seeing more and more startups in the area. We see the traditional companies going into the area, the traditional TV companies exploiting very much their knowledge and their databases and their libraries to go into video. This is where the money is. This is what people want to do. We know people have the lean back experience from TV. In Europe, it's the same thing. Hence, video is going to take over the internet big time, also in Europe.
You guys had a pretty big announcement about a new product here related to video. Will you tell us a little bit about it and what it is and what it's called?
Sure. We call it Insight. It's basically a data analytics platform, but not in the traditional display performance, because that's basically not relevant for video. You know, who cares about CPC, click-through rates, etc. This is definitely up the funnel. And it's about brand, it's about brand insight, it's about performance, so how many people go down in the shop and buy the products when they have watched a video. So very much what we are used to from TV. And the reason we're doing it is very simple, right? There's such a big gap right now where everybody is going into video, having real data, real insight, right? So our product guys out of the London office have, talked furiously about, let's develop a proprietary technology that gives everybody in the value chain deep insight to brand uplift, ROI for advertising, quality of content, emotional engagement with content, etc. So what are the business results of great video? So that's the vision, that's what we are launching. First steps will be to launch it with the Beyond platform in Europe, and later on we will spread it out to the rest of the world. It's going to be for AOL publishers, for AOL advertisers, but of course our product team has a vision that we should be allowed to open it up to everybody on the internet. I mean, everybody in the value chain will love to have that data. If you are a content producer and you see your content works, you're going to charge more, right? If you are a publisher and you see content works on your platform, you want to charge more. So right now, it's very, very focused on YouTube, because that's the platform, that's the Comcast of video. However, the insight people are getting on content is limited, right? So here we're coming with a platform that gives tremendous amount of data to everybody in the value chain.
And how do you think greater insights are going to impact this sort of the price and value of video at a marketplace right now? Is it going to, increase the value of it as we get more informed, we have greater precision, or do you see liquidity affecting the market and prices going down in the near term?
I think it's a great question. I think we will see different things. We will see suddenly more TV budgets getting into video. Clearly, because suddenly you can compare apples to apples, which I think is very important. Secondly, you'll see again quality video, engaging video, emotional video, prices will go up. Shit video, prices will go down, and that's how it should be. Right now it's all more or less priced on the same thing. It's based on contextuality. You're in a great environment, a great audience, we're going to increase the price. However, what's the video worth? What's the content worth? Right, so we need to have a bit more data in order to make price differentiation, and I'm sure it will influence the price. For some people positively, from others the other way.